Hello guys, I'm Ver from Huidu Technology. Our company provides LED and LCD display control solution since 2009. Today I will introduce Huidu A8 4K multimedia player. A8 is a 4K controller, supports asynchronous and synchronous playback for commercial display. For offline mode, it has a large memory of 60 GB and supports U-disk expansion and program update. With a loading capacity of 3840 by 2160 pixels for both indoor and outdoor LED wall. Let's take a closer look at it. This is the power switch to control on and off of AC power. And next to it, there is 4 indicator lights. Power indicator used to display power supply indication. Running indicator used to display the running status of playbox. Wi-Fi indicator light used to display Wi-Fi working status. 5G indicator light used for 5G working status. Test button used to test the screen, engine, and this button, a button to switch between synchronous playback mode and asynchronous playback mode. All input and output interface of A8 are on its back panel. This is the AC power input interface for external 100 to 240 volt AC power supply. And this is to sensor interface, the interface for connecting wireless sensors like light sensor, environmental monitor sensor, or multi-function sensors. And next to it is 4G or 5G antenna interface to connect the 4G or 5G antenna. If A8 is equipped with 4G or 5G module, then you need to connect the antenna here. Next to it are 2 Wi-Fi antenna for 2.4G Wi-Fi and 5G Wi-Fi, and HDMI input for video signal input, which can be connected to computer, TV box, or other media box for synchronous playback. And HDMI output is a video signal output interface, which can be connected to the video controller with the signal input interface. As A8 comes with scalar function, so the resolution of HDMI input image will be scaled to the screen in resolution. This is another power interface which can be connected to the 12 volt DC power supply, and the 2 USB input. You can use it for U-disk program update or memory expansion. And this is a LAN input for LAN control or PC direct connection to send programs. And this is the RS232 interface for serial communication and control. And this is the SIM card connector. If the A8 is equipped with 4G or 5G module, then you need to put a SIM card here. This is the audio interface. Is supported dual channel audio output, and this is a reset button, which can reset the A8 to factory settings. In general, A8 is a 4K multimedia player that supports asynchronous and synchronous playback, and it with a load capacity of 4K by 2K resolutions. And A8 comes with Wi-Fi, so it supports PC software and mobile application wirelessly. And A8 is with HDMI in and HDMI output interface. For HDMI in, you can connect with a TV box or camera. For HDMI output is with a scalar function, so it's like a video processor. You can output to any brand of sending card or others, like Huidu. For A8, if you have more questions, welcome to Huidu Technology directly. Thanks.